Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go with the information. There is a rational expression given over here. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? In the given answer choices, we have to find the one which is equivalent to this expression. So for that, what we have to do is we have to simplify the given expression. So for that, let me write the given expression as it is. That is 1 over 2 times 1 over x negative 1, negative 1 over x positive 1. So here, when I look at the stuff inside the parentheses, we have a subtraction of two fractions. Whenever I want to do addition or subtraction between two fractions, I must have the same denominator for both the fractions. So here, when I look at the two denominators, the x negative 1 and x positive 1, the denominators are not same. So if the denominators are numbers, what I can do is I can get the least common multiple to get the same denominator for both the fractions. But here the denominators contain variable. So what should I do? So to do addition or subtraction of this kind of fractions, so what we can do is we can do cross multiplication. So cross multiplication is the first numerator has to be multiplied by the second denominator. The second numerator has to be multiplied by the first denominator. Further, we have to multiply the two denominators. Okay, now let me do it in the next step. 1 over 2 times. I'm going to multiply this numerator 1 by this denominator x positive 1. Then I'm getting 1 times x positive 1. I'm taking this negatives and as it is. I multiply this numerator 1 by this denominator x negative 1. Then I'm getting 1 times x negative 1 divided by, I have to multiply the two denominators, that is x negative 1 times x positive 1. Okay, let me continue the next step. So here 1 can be distributed to this x and 1, then I'm getting x positive 1. So when I distribute this negative 1 to this x, I'm getting negative x. When I distribute this negative 1 to this negative 1, that is negative times negative will become positive. 1 times 1 is just 1. Now we can multiply the two binomials over here using the FOIL method. That is, let's multiply the first terms x and x. I'm getting x square. Now I can multiply the outer terms. X times positive 1 is positive x. Now let's multiply the inner terms. Negative 1 times x is negative x. Now let's multiply the last terms. Negative 1 times positive 1 is negative 1, because negative times positive is negative. 1 times 1 is 1. In numerator, this x and negative x will cancel out. In denominator, the positive x, negative x will cancel out. Then I'm getting 1 over 2 times. So when I combine this positive 1 and positive 1, I'm getting 2 over. So here we have x square and negative 1. So here this 2 goes into 2 1 times, 2 goes into 2 1 times. So here 1 times 1 is 1. And 1 times x square negative 1 is x square negative 1. So when I simplify the given expression, I am getting 1 over x square negative 1. So this is the expression which is equivalent to the given expression. So we find this 1 over x square negative 1 in answer choice B. So the correct answer choice for this question is B, 1 over x square negative 1.